Good. Ooh, very good. Deep breath in. Let it all out. Okay, so we're going to do some muscle scraping Graston on you. I know you said you're having pain here, so we're going to try to open up the muscles in this area here, in the back of your neck. Look at the traps, the levator scap, the suboccipital muscles. These are all, yeah, feel that knot right there? Yeah, so I'm going to open that up for you. So do it on this side first, and then we flip the tool and then go here. It goes a little bit deeper.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll get a little bit of the SCM in the front for the back side. That's crunchy.
That's a gnarly sound.
Yeah, so here you can feel the knots are just deeper. Here they're very superficial and they're crunchy.
Yeah. No, I hear it.
Yeah, I feel that right there.
Oh, God.
There you go. So we got that. Now we'll switch over to this side. I just like to do it to balance things out. You have a nasty one right here. And that does happen a lot. So like you'll have one on this side and then it'll go to this side. That's how it works. So like lower right and then upper left will compensate.
Oh, that makes sense.
The body's cool in that way. Like it'll,
Yeah, right.
it goes in like boom, 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 boom like that. Like
diagonally?
yeah, like one thing compensates and another thing compensates. We're gonna start doing like custom orthotics too here.
What does that mean?
So like the insoles for your shoes, we custom make it for you. So you come get a scan, and then we custom make it for you, and you just tell us what kind of shoes that you normally wear, and we'll make one for those. So now from the bottom of your feet all the way up, you're more balanced. And the machine also scans your whole body and tells you what's the perfect pillow for you to wear to use.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You should come hopefully next week. There you go.
Sorry.
So let's do your adjustments now. Let's start with up here. Good. Very good there too. Ooh, you're just stuck here, man. Okay. Deep breath in. Let it all out. Okay. On your back, face up, please.
Sorry.
There you go. Nice. Oh, very good. On your side facing me, please. Okay, tilt over this way. Good.
I heard it.
Good. Same thing on the side.
Yes, sir.
Not bad on that one. Lay on your back, face up. There, that was a good one. Good. And then sit up for me. And then scoot down just a little bit that way. Right there's good. You lean all the way back. Hands behind your head. Hold your head up. Relax around my leg. Good. Open up your hands and shoulders. Relax, relax. Open, 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 open. Boom. There it goes.
Good.
Feel good?
Yeah, oh yeah.
All right, man.
Great.
All set.
Thank you so much.
You got it.